In this video, we'll replace our existing wood dash with a real matte carbon fiber dash on our Tesla Model 3. We'll also add real carbon fiber covers for our central console to match this new dash. What is going on, Tesla family? Today we have another big upgrade, but this is going to be a really easy upgrade. We're going to be replacing our OEM wood dash with a new real carbon fiber, matte carbon fiber finish dash. And this is an easy one-to-one swap. This is already the OEM dash material here. They just added the carbon fiber here. And this is not a cover. This is actually an actual full dash replacement. You're not adding any stickies. You're not adding any glues. And we're going to talk about those just here in a second. But this is a real carbon fiber material matte finish. And the reason I decided to do this video is because I showcased a similar product a couple of months ago where I showed you the glossy finish, the carbon fiber. And a lot of you asked about, what about the matte carbon fiber? Because the glossy carbon fiber has a tendency to reflect more light and you just prefer a matte version. So I wanted to give you another option that the matte version exists. And the benefit with this one is this is from Hansho, and we have reviewed a lot of products from Hansho, and this is more affordable than the product that I showcased a couple of months ago. Let me show you how to install this product, and then we're going to talk about how it looks while driving. So thank you very much for tuning into this video. Let's get started. Installation is fairly straightforward. Take a plastic pry tool and peel off the side dash panel. This piece comes right out and shouldn't require much force. This piece is held using 2 clips on the top and 1 clip on the bottom. Do this on both driver and the passenger side. If you have a newer Tesla model, this end cap will be integrated to the dash assembly and you don't have to remove it. On the older models, you can remove this end cap. To remove the end cap, just use a plastic pry tool and pry it out on both sides. Now simply lift the dash from one side and make your way to the other side. The dash should come right out without having to use much force. The dash is secured using several plastic clips that are clipped down all over the dash. To install the new dash, you simply have to slide the air vent side first and push the clips in. If you find the dash not clipping to the base, please check to make sure it is aligned well to prevent your clips from breaking. You shouldn't require much force and it should just slide into place. Now install the side dash panels on both sides by just pushing it in, and the installation is complete. This new dash is identical to the OEM dash and all the clips are aligned exactly like the OEM one. The new dash is made for Tesla, exactly like the OEM dash, and fits perfectly. Again, this is not a cover that you typically find in the market. This whole dash panel is made out of a real carbon fiber material. You could purchase the covers, and even Hansho sells those covers made out of real carbon fiber material. You can also get wood covers that I showed you in the past, or other variety of options. The problem with these covers are that they're secured using the 3M adhesive, and then they could come loose with extreme heat or cold sometime. They work great most of the time, and you wouldn't really notice that these are just covers. But this new complete carbon fiber dash make it not only super easy to swap your wood dash, but now you have 2 dashes if you wanted to alternate between the 2. If you have a newer Tesla and want your dash to match the side door panels, Hansho sells you that product along with this dash replacement kit. I think it really adds to the aesthetic of my car and makes my car stand out. There's no glare even with direct sunlight hitting this dash. It goes very well with the black interior of my car. This is what the gloss carbon fiber dash would look like. There's definitely more glare compared to the matte finish, but it's not that bad. I think both gloss and matte finish really make my car look better than the wood dash. This is very high quality dry carbon fiber finish, and I expect it to last a long time. Before I show you some of the driving footages with this new mod, let's go ahead and install some real carbon fiber central console cover so we can have a full carbon fiber interior finish. These covers are again real carbon fiber and easy to install. They come with these 3M adhesives, and all you have to do is peel the adhesive, align the cover, and press it down. You can follow the exact same steps for the middle trim. Just align the edges and push it down. Finally, exact same procedure for the top trim. This matte carbon fiber central console look really great, especially compared to the OEM glossy finish. So we went from this interior with wood dash and glossy central console finish to a new all carbon fiber finish. Today's mods fully complement the matte carbon fiber I have on my Yoke Steering wheel. which by the way is another Hansho product that I highly recommend. A detailed installation and review video of the yoke is included in the description below. I think the carbon fiber upgrade made a huge difference in my interior. I love carbon fiber, so this is very exciting for me. But carbon fiber might not be for everyone. Some of you might prefer the OEM interior, and some of you might want the all real wood interior, which we did a video a few months ago. If you would like to check the real carbon fiber products from Hansho, just head over to the Hansho's website link that I have in the description below, and you can find a section that has all the real carbon fiber upgrades for your Tesla. By the way, Hansho recently upgraded their website and made it more user-friendly and added a bunch of new features. After you make your selection and go to the checkout menu, make sure to put Shiva Tesla as your discount code to get a huge discount on your purchase. This goes for any product that you purchase from Hansho. So what do you think about this real carbon fiber upgrades? Will you get it for your Tesla? Or do you think OEM interior looks better than the carbon fiber? Please type your thoughts in the description below. If you found this video helpful and would like to see more videos like this in the future, please hit that like and subscribe button. I have a lot of new Tesla modifications and accessories coming to the channel very soon. Thank you all for your continued support.